Oh, it's a great day. It's the weather's great, and just learning about the Audi vehicles and learning how to race the track and just everything that goes into it, just from sitting down, your placement, hands placement on the steering wheel, everything. I'm ready to take this to the 405.
I grew up out on a racetrack like this, not this exact racetrack, obviously, but coming here on the weekends and stuff like that when my dad raced and stuff was fun. But now getting to come out here by myself and getting to take one of these cars out on the track, borderline unsupervised, is really awesome.
My earliest memory of driving is before I had a license. I was driving my dad's Suburban, and I rear-ended somebody maybe, I don't know, 3 minutes from the house, and I started crying. #1 ringtone.